Are you struggling to adjust the volume on your iPhone? Whether it's too low, stuck or not responding, I've got the fixes for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix volume issue on your iPhone. Step 1 is to adjust the volume button. Let's start with the basics. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone to increase the volume. If the volume doesn't work, ensure they are not physically stuck or damaged. Step 2 is to check volume in setting. You can also adjust the volume directly in the setting. Go to setting, then you go to sounds and haptics. Use the slider under the ringer and alert to adjust the volume manually. Step 3 is to disable silent mode. Your phone might be set to silent. Check the mode switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see orange, flip the switch to enable sound. Step 4 is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart can solve temporary glitches. Turn your iPhone off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 5 is to check for Bluetooth connection. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, sound may not be played through the speaker. Go to Settings, then you go to Bluetooth and disconnect any connected devices. Test the volume again after disconnecting. Step 6 is to check for Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. These modes can silence notification and media sounds. Swipe down to open the control center and ensure Do Not Disturb or Focus is turned off. Step 7 is to clean the speaker. And step 8 is to update your iOS. Outdated software can cause sound issue. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update and install any available updates. Step 9 is to reset all settings. If the problem persists, reset all settings. Go to General, then Reset and reset all settings. This will reset system configuration but won't erase your data. And step 10 is to contact your Apple support. If none of these steps work, the issue may be an hardware related. And that's how you troubleshoot volume issue on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.